everyone. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers and my dear friends who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. My name is Mohammed Ashraf Raza and I am from Jharkhand. And I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to tell about importance of education. So first of all, I would like to say that education is the most important thing for human beings. It is a continuous and lifelong process. It brings a great change in our life. Life becomes prosper and meaningful. It is the foundation of human development. It is said that education is the third eye of human being. Education teaches us to be polite. So education makes the people polite and courteous to others. Education is that properly which can't be stolen. Education is that properly which can't be stolen, and we can take this properly wherever we go. And educated people are always respected. They are respected wherever they go. Education teaches us to be civilized, and they can understand the problem of other people. So education provides manpower like teachers, doctors, engineers, mechanics, etc. They can play an important role for the development of the country. And uneducated people burden for the country. But an educated person can solve any problem easily and efficiently. He can easily find out what is good and what is bad. He doesn't blindly accept or reject anything. And educated people can change the whole society. They are always involved in creative works. Education is key of success. Knowledge is power. Educated people are never deceived, and educated farmers can produce more crops by applying new farming. Educated farmers can produce more crops by applying new farming method, and educated people accept not only during this during his life, but also after his death. So a country should give first priority to education, and unless a country educated its people, development is important. Development is impossible. So we should talk. I would like to mention that we should anything learn English, learn education more and more. And I would like to finish my topic. Thank you very much to listen to me.